is a large, fascinating, and intelligent mammal. Yes, the whale is a mammal and not fish, even though it lives in water. As the whale is the only animal that can live and survive in water, it is called an aquatic mammal. Whales are the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth. They are even bigger than the largest dinosaur. It is believed that millions of years ago, whales walked upon land. With the passage of time, their back legs disappeared and their front legs became flippers. Since whales are not fish, they do not have gills and so cannot breathe underwater. They need to come up to the surface of the water to get air. They breathe through their blowhole, which is on their back. When whales sleep, they stay at the top of the water with their blowhole above the surface. Sometimes whales swim up to the surface of the water and quickly blow air out of their blowhole. This is called the whale's blow or spout. As whales are mammals, they feed milk to their babies. A baby whale is called a calf. Some whales live in large groups called pods. Whales eat during the summer months, building up layers of blubber. When the water begins to cool, the whales begin their migration to warmer waters. Whales migrate further than any other animal. They do not eat during their migration. All they do is swim and rest for short periods of time. Sometimes, when whales are migrating, they swim very close to the shore and can be seen blowing and jumping out of the water. This jumping is called breaching. Whales are noisy and talkative. They love talking to each other and squeak, moan, and groan. These underwater sounds can travel great distances. The sounds they make are called whale songs. Whale are the loudest animals in the world. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on the planet. When blue whales exhale, the air rises more than 20 feet and can be seen from quite a distance. Humpback whale. The humpback whale has long fins or flippers. Its majestic tail and variety of spectacular behaviors makes this whale a favorite of whale watchers. They are well known for their spectacular breaching tricks. It is not clear why the humpback whale does this, but this makes it one of the most fascinating whales. Orca or killer whale. The killer whale, also known as the orca, is one of the most well-known types of whales. One of the most popular attractions at aquariums, the killer whale has several stories and films made around it. Their large, sharp teeth add to their reputation of being deadly and dangerous. The killer whale has a spindle-like shape and beautiful, crisp black and white markings, making them striking and unique. Killer whales live in pods, which may include 10 to 50 whales. They are highly intelligent and have been seen using several tricks while hunting both alone and with the pod. Beluga. Beluga whales live in colder sea and extremely social creatures. Beluga whales live in colder seas and are extremely social creatures like dolphins. A pod of beluga typically migrate and hunt together. Beluga whales reach out to one another by singing and can make many different noises. They can whistle, they can chirp, and captive belugas are also known to mimic human voices. They are known as the canary of the sea. The beluga is one of the smallest whale species, measuring only about 13 feet in length. We may think that since the whales are large and live underwater, they are safe. Unfortunately, it is not so. There is always something threatening their existence. Disposal of pollutants and hazardous waste into rivers and seas makes the water unhealthy for sea creatures. Plastics waste, chemical, and oil shorten the lifespan of whales. Plastics waste, chemicals, and oil shorten the lifespan of whales. Slow reproduction of whales is another factor leading to reduction of the whale population. Many organizations are working to save whales, but more needs to be done. Conservation efforts need to be made globally to save endangered whales from extinction. What can be done to save whales? Spread awareness about whales and how they are in danger of disappearing. Persuade every country to ban whaling. Create whale sanctuaries where whales can be safe from fishing threats. Stop disposal of hazardous materials into rivers and oceans. Adopt an eco-friendly lifestyle and reduce pollution. Let's try to do whatever we can to keep these wonderful mammals alive, happy and healthy. Let's keep our land green and our water blue.